it going? It's currently October 14th. Is it? Yeah, or 15th. It's a Wednesday. Um, Going into the day. Um, Big gap here was leaning bullish, but I mean, also wouldn't mind taking a bearish setup. Really wanting to tap down to this 4 hour or this 4 hour. We did not do either. So then I was looking for this 15 minute right about here, also paired with the 5 minute, but it looks like just gonna call it a day. Yeah, went down, went up, and then now we're just gonna chop. So definitely a no trading day. Getting off, and yeah, on the Thursday. So we'll just add some back testing after this, and yeah, call it there. So that's how I made $0 today. Did nothing. Absolutely boring. So yeah. Alright, how's it going? It is still October 14th. I won't be back testing tomorrow. I'm got school after the trading morning, and then I'll be going to a hockey game, so I have that. So I'm just gonna do 2 sessions today. Yeah, I mean, going into tomorrow morning though, I mean, I hate that we're in this huge gap right here. More bullish than bearish, honestly, looking at it right now, but we still have to finish out London session, and we still have to go into or finish out Asia session, so we'll have to go into London. So just see what those do. But I mean, as of right now, huge. I mean, I would just think this liquidity sweep. This is nothing technical. This was just Trump market dumping because he said tariff, because he said China. I might have to catch up on the news tonight and see if that will change my bias on anything going on. But other than that, I mean, we are in a gap, so I don't expect too much movement, but I would love for some movement to happen. Going into tomorrow, I guess we could check out the news now while I'm doing this, and it looks like we have nothing. Okay. Cool. But yeah, so let's see. I would like to take out these lows in London maybe, and then start going up higher, so then we could maybe target just these highs right about here. So, and yeah, that's about it. I'll get into some back testing. And as of right now, we've put almost. Alright, so we put just 5 months in actually. 71% win rate, right around where we should be. 54 trades taken. Um, yeah, so look over here. And this says 72% win rate. Whatever. Yeah. So, I believe this is new day open. This is a Friday. What has happened before this? Again, go to the higher time frame. Let's see what we got going on. We could swoop down, hit these lows right here, and then maybe take an inversion out of this. But again, there's just so many gaps that we could go to, and we could honestly retrace in either one of these. I mean, there's a gap up here. It looks like there's an opening day gap right. Nope. Yep. Right about here. Market does say about 80% of the time market does go back there. But yeah, so actually did it already. Why does it look like a gap on the hourly? But yeah, that's a gap, or that's market close. Okay. So that's just previous day. Alright, but going on to the 4 hour, we did have that. Hourly chart looks like a barcode, but let's see if maybe we can wick this. I mean, again, we could have had an SMT right here, but yeah, let's just see. So it's 5:55. Let's just go hour. Okay, we took these highs, or we took that line I drew out. See if there was an entry anywhere. thinking that we were going to respect this 15-minute until this 15-minute closes, because right about here it just looked like we were going to respect it and go up, but we did not. So I probably would have stayed out over here, and then let's keep going to the 1 minute. Sorry, I know my mouse is pretty loud in the microphone, so I know that's probably annoying if someone is listening. Alright, 15-minute gap right here. We are trading into this 4 hour, so I am going to be a little bit wary, or a little bit, sorry it's late, just like half risk basically. I really don't want to put too much risk on the table, because I think, I mean, we could inverse here, go up, or I could see the market just continuing to dump, and we could take out like these lows right here. So that's just my thought process right now. Really trying to keep that 70 plus win rate, so don't want to make a dumb mistake. And yeah, it's at the 15-minute. It's also paired with 5. Let's see. So we're just dumping lower. Let's go to 5. Okay. So basically there's no 15-minute gap. It's already noon, and basically didn't get any entries, so we'll just call it a day. We'll go to New York session open on the 4 hour. Gap here, so we can just move this there. Alright, let's zoom in. You know, that works, so whatever. Respected, didn't really respect anything. We kind of just wicked down here, I guess, at this liquidity. Yeah, just grabbed here, I guess, at this order block. I'm not a huge order block trader though. So what is this, 555 again? So let's go, whatever. So 755, oh, 855. I'm not completely sure about this, but I'll take a discretionary trade here. So we'll take a short. And we did wick into this 5 minute. We did start displacing lower after we did have manipulation higher. So, but it is, I don't know, let's set this. So let's just set it to, this would just be reset to a 1-to-1. So I'm not going to target all the way down there. And so I would go break even here, and we would go break even. There's really nothing going on with this PA right now. I'm just sitting here. We ended last session that I just did about 2 hours ago, probably 3 hours ago. That session ended nicely, had some great PA at the end. I mean, here is just kind of weird. Like I really don't expect us to like do anything here. Kind of just expect us to chop. What did I say? What did I say? Can we get out of this range? Let's see what. Oh, alright, market moves. There it's afternoon. Market closes up there. Alright. And we're closing above this inverse here. After we did respect it already, so I'm not too worried about that inverse. But I do really love taking out just these highs here. It looks like we're back in that bullish trend. And yeah, I'm looking definitely more bullish. This would have been a nice trade at 6 a.m. I swear London session always does have the cleanest PA sometimes. Whenever New York's bad, London PA is always amazing. There's definitely a great trade in there. Mark those two out. See what we have on the 15-minute. Okay. 8:30 we went into a 15-minute and did go higher. There could be an entry right here that I'm looking at. So let's see. Yeah, that's exactly, yeah, right about there. So let's see what was here. And honestly, I would go up to here. We don't know if it's going up there yet, but considering that my target would be here, my take profit would only be, it would be 25 points, which isn't too much, but we have a 5-minute here, so I wouldn't take that. If there's an SMT right here, I would not take this because ES already took out this high, and I don't expect this high to be taken. But looking at it on NQ right now, I do like that this high is not taken. So I think I would go for this, and then I would just put it. I'm gonna find a smaller gap here. Maybe. Yeah, so let's just do, I mean, actually at the bottom there, that's, still basically almost a 2 to 1, or 1 to 2. Oh, and this trade was horrible. No, it wasn't. Oh my gosh. We're going break even. Actually, we're gonna put it at this wick, so there's gonna be a fair value gap right here. That I hope respects it. Could have taken profit up here. Again, let's see where this price does go. Oh. See, backtesting, I need to start looking at it more when I backtest. Let's go back to New York Open. We are at all-time highs again. Huge gap right above this. into the unfilled 5 minute. That is right here. Stop loss at these lows. Okay, I'm gonna go break even here. Pray this is not another break even trade. Dude, you've got to be kidding me. Whoa. Bro, what is this? Oh my gosh. You've got to be kidding me. You've got to be kidding me. For some unfilled 5 minute gaps that I'm targeting, I might start not going break even. Not that it hurts going break even, but I want to see how that affects the win rate. What am I doing? Go to the 4 hour, or actually go to the 1 hour. This, go to the 4 hour, go to New York session. 1, 2, 3. What's there? Okay. I'm looking, this is equilibrium. I'm looking for a inverse right here. Oh. Ooh. I don't know, kind of iffy. I would really like a long. Of course. Oh my gosh, what is that? 3 break evens? Alright. Where were we? Chop it. This is the 5 minute chart, that makes sense. We're just in. Like, maybe we sweep this. But let's see what market wants to do. expecting it. Would be the only thing making me not take this. But we are near all-time highs. I could see like I could see the trade go. I guess we would enter here. Just put it below that 15-minute. But I don't like that we're in an hourly. Actually, we are pushing higher in these first 11 minutes. It is after 11, so I probably would have got off by now. But let's see what would happen. I do like this. I do not like chop. Chop, chop, chop. If we take the... Yeah. In an hourly after 11. Don't trade after 11. Only trade the morning. Come on, give us a trade. Give us a trade that hits right here. Go to New York session. Bang. Okay, we do have a 4-hour we are creating right now as we speak. Get rid of this. Get rid of that. I guess we can keep that. Shorten this. I mean, but, are we gonna go lower? I reckon we go higher into here. But again, like I just could also see a chop fest right here. Swoop lower. We have a while. Okay, honestly, 25 minutes after market open. Okay, we go higher. Swoop this. So a key level. Do we have a 2-minute? We do. We have a 3-minute. We don't. We don't have a 4-minute then. So like you could take. Let's see. We know this hits, but like yeah, manipulate. This is just a PO3. This is almost perfect. PO3 hits a key level. So in this 4-hour gap, we just created this line right here. Inverse this 2-minute gap, so the highest time frame, and then you could just take. This would be another trade that you would just do 1-to-1. So honestly, it's cheating. I mean, I would have taken this. Screw the haters. So it would do here, and then this would be a 1-to-1, which we would just do that there. That works. Oh my gosh. Alright, well that would have been my day though. I do need to stop going 25 minutes past market open though. Let me guess, that was a Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday, like, if we go back, sure. I have no clue. But look at Tuesday. Friday, sure, a little bit. But look at the amount I've made on Tuesday with this account than I have any other day. Wednesday, I'm down. Thursday, I'm break even. Monday, I've made barely anything. Again, I'm trading 5, and then if I want to full port something, I'm trading 10. Like here, I full ported, as you can see. At the start, I just traded 10. Very good PA in the beginning. And then now I started just trading 5 recently, just because I didn't like how much the account moved. I mean, I should be trading 1% or 0.5%, like my real account, but I mean, it's just for fun. But besides the point, like look how much Tuesday is, and as you can see, Tuesday just had great PA, great price action, amazing. It is 9 p.m. now, so let's get out of there. Is there not a 4-hour? much time did I just skip? I'm so confused. Alright, let's stop it. Let's stop it at 7:55 now. Let's not be cheaters. I didn't even stop it at 7:55, but I can already tell I would not have taken a trade because I'm not, unless this was at like 34, I'm not trading like the first couple of minutes of market open. There might not even be an inverse here, but again, like you see the setups I'm taking. You see we just have it to a key level. This is, yeah, I'm not taking a 30-second at market open. And we just keep going higher, but kind of get the gist of how to do it. Yeah, I'm going break even a lot, but protect your capital. Here we go. I will say this year trading live markets, I have not gone break even as much as I am in 2024 here. Created a 1 hour. Always love a good 1 hour. Also tapped in the 1 hour. 15-minute has opened. Huge 15-minute. I would like to get somewhere around here on that 15-minute to trade back. Let's see if we get a nice wake up and maybe an entry. Let's go to if it's paired with a 5-minute, like I would love this 5-minute gap to get wicked into. Just double the confluence. We're just ripping higher, aren't we? Inverse that gap. It's already 10:30. Dude, when do we get out of all-time highs? Like, actually. Did I do it right this time? I did. Bang. So there's news here. 7:30. Bang, bang, bang. Sweep these lows, go up to these highs. So I already marked out the 4 hour, right? Yep, 4 hour marked. Let's see, 1 hour. Not really there. Who doesn't love never take a 45-minute candle, honestly. 30. 15, wick this 15 multiple times. Multiple times. And yes, market open. Let's see what the first 5 minutes do. Okay. Okay. I'm kind of confident in this. It's a 3 minute, or it's a 2 minute. Kind of confident in this continuation here. We'll just go break even. I know. You guys probably think I suck. Just go break even here. unless, yeah, it's only 10 points, so yeah, break even there. Buy TP. We're just gonna do. I suck. Wow. Whoa. Thank gosh. Please get rid of all 10 highs, dude. Everyone probably thinks I suck watching. Oh my gosh, I respected it. I mean, like, can we just dump, please? Can we actually just dump? Oh my gosh. We might actually dump. We might actually dump. No. We didn't inverse this. Get rid of this box. I mean, I guess we're just gonna go higher again. Like, I guess so. Go 30 minutes ahead. Okay, we're going up. Oh, okay. Wait until 5 minutes. That is. I just want an entry so bad. Fake entry. Oh, actually, did we get an entry? break evens, 1 loss and 1 win. All-time highs. All-time highs. We've made 4K this session, so I mean with that, we're still winning. Just barely though. And go to New York session. Keep going. I mean, I can mark out this 4-hour again, but after a fair value gap's been respected so many times, I mean, how long until we just don't respect it? So, 1 hour. 1 hour got wicked right here. We got wicked twice. Get that up there. Could have a 30-minute maybe. 15-minute gap. This 15-minute gap we just have weak gap. What day is it too? What day is it? What day is it? Chop fest. Chop fest incoming. Bang 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 bang. Oh wait, I did it again. That wasn't market open. Okay, now we wicked lower. Into what? Into nothing. Where? Oh, we didn't inverse this gap, so I would have waited till 9 AM to see if we actually inverse or respect this gap. And holy crap, are we just gonna respect it again? Which is insane work. But now I'm honestly looking for a break of structure almost a little bit. Could have a 15-minute. Holy chop, 15-minute. Or 15-minute already got tapped into once too. So honestly my targets would be here. So let's see. Make a 5-minute gap. Break okay, 5-minute gap. Still made a 5-minute gap. We've traded another 5-minute gap. That is also not a 15-minute yet. We have not taken this. Yes, could have though. Yes, could have. This could be another small trade. It's gonna be. Oof, I don't think there actually is gonna be an entry. There probably won't be an entry here. Yeah, but I would guess we're gonna go. Oh, it's maybe giving us an entry. But am I still confident in just this 5-minute? Because now we're gonna open up a 15-minute. We're gonna open up a 15-minute gap down here in 5 minutes. So do I think it's gonna trade lower into this 15-minute gap when that does happen? Which I have seen many times. So I might take just. Yeah. Okay, so waited for the 15-minute. Good thing we did. We love this 1 hour. Like, we love this 1 hour candle. Yeah, 5-minute gap. Holy shoot. Unfilled 5-minute right here. This could be a good target. It's just unmitigated, so. What is it? Put my eye there. Another eye. Let's do that. we're gonna enter here, and we're gonna go break even. I'm just letting everyone know. 16-point stop loss. Put it at the bottom of that wick. Break even trade. So there is this unfilled 5-minute right here, and this is making me be very cautious about my trade. So I'm just gonna risk less now. And then honestly, if we get now on break even, I don't even want to know what the minute looks like. So now we just should go higher. But we're going break even like I called. Oh. Okay, but what do I break even anyway? And we would have hit take profit. What do we have? Yeah, we would have. We would have hit take profit. Sucks. Really sucks. Just a fucking break-even machine right now. Dude, get me out of all-time highs. Get me out of all-time highs, bro. We're not doing bad for all-time highs. It's just go break even. We've made 4K in probably the last 2 weeks. Trading 5 contracts. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. I love a nice cap like that. This is probably the only trade I would take, is if we hit this gap. Just because, I mean, you can only take a buy position. Unless there's an hourly gap, I would take an hourly gap. Right when I say that, there's an hourly gap right here. And this is... it's gonna make me want to take a trade. Oh, no, never mind. Bang, bang, 7:55. Oh, dude, I wanted to do a 30-minute candle. We're not shorting, so I wouldn't have taken that. Right now I'm just looking for this 4-hour to get hit. Which if I hit it on ES, I would be looking for a trade right now. Dude, like... this all-time highs and this price action is just making me... it's just making me not like these trades and making me a little less confident. Because, I mean, look, for literally this reason. Stop down. Like I just can't. Oh my gosh. What does a mad chart look like? If we take these highs, I am going break even. Get me out of here. Bang! Let's go! Let's go! Bang! Bang, 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 bang. There we go. There we go. Love that. Love that, love that. This gap just never fails. Gap's too good. I mean, I'm going for all-time highs, I guess. Hopefully we swoop slower right here. We're creating a 4 hour, so trade back into that. Yeah, that's good enough. Just like, price isn't moving in London. Holy shot. Nope. We have to hit all-time highs here, right? Literally have to. It's 40 points. Bigger trade. We're only going by 5 minutes. Scary. Alright, see some rejection off of that. We should just go higher here if we're going to take it. Uh-oh. You know what? Stop going break even so early. Good at these lows. Alright, what if going break even? Now I'm for sure going break even. And we're going to take profit at a 1-to-1. Or actually, we're just going to take profit here. Because this is now 10:30. It's getting long. It's a long trade that's not moving at all. Like, I mean, we got a risk-free trade in this PA. I mean, you can't argue with that. See, market just did a 30-point range. 30-point range. And we got a 5-minute inversion entry in profit. Can't really argue with that. Oh, Minnesota Wild just scored a goal. That might hurt my fantasy. Alright, so it looks like I just need to click the buy button every time the market opens. This week, my last week for sure then. It's 11 p.m. Gotta get up at 8 for market open. Might be a little zoomed in here. See, like, oh, so we weren't gonna respect this, and I think we're coming for this gap again. Hopefully, we just get out of all-time highs, go back to normal. But let's see. Okay. You can do. And then I would just, again, like if we take this loss, this is such a tiny loss that I don't even know, and we had to take profit. But again, tiny take profit, tiny loss, so I don't really mind taking trades like that. They are lower probability, but I mean, if we could still keep those trades above a 50% with just small losses, small wins, I mean, why would you not take something like that? Especially when you target an unfilled 5 minutes. I bet since we hit this unfilled 5 minute, we're going lower. I guess there's 3 unfilled 5 minutes, so it's probably a 15-minute. I bet we do go lower. I'm an idiot. We don't go lower. Yeah, we do. No, we don't. We chop. We go lower. Would you look at that? Who's the smartest trader ever? Me. Alright. Let's get back to some fucking bullish trading. Bearish trading. Which I sadly still can't be yet. We need to go to that day. Last day. It's gonna be a choppy day. It's gonna be a choppy day. Maybe it won't be a choppy day. I think we're coming to smoke this out right here. I mean, I don't like all-time. I mean, we're not at all-time highs, near all-time highs, and we have this gap, so I still have a bullish. Like, I wouldn't mind taking a bullish trader along, but I just don't really like it as much. So probably like a bearish setup, which didn't occur, so couldn't find one there. 15-minute gap. I think there is going to be a 15-minute gap here. Yep, there is going to be a 15-minute gap. I am right, per usual. Just kidding. Then we are going to maybe trade in that 15-minute gap. Then we are going to go lower, which we have a 5-minute. Don't move. Don't move. Oh, I moved a lot. Stop loss would be. Oh gosh. Stop loss would be kind of a lot. Take profit would be a little less. You can go here. Friday, I don't know.
Jeez.